Here is a tutorial on how to complete your assignment number 3 for your maze assignment. So you're going to go ahead and I just selected this PC. Find the drive with your name, and we will be saving everything for this module under our Spreadsheets 1 folder. You're going to right click and go New and create a new Microsoft Excel worksheet, which you will title Assignment Number 3 Maze, and then go ahead and press enter. We're just going to left click to open up our Excel worksheet. And once again, the first thing we want to do to make sure it prints out properly is select page layout. So I have this selected as page layout. If you guys want to go ahead and create a maze on your own, you can do so, but you don't have to. You can go ahead and find an image of one you want to recreate. So I've selected this image as the maze I want to recreate, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit on this image so it's easier for me to see. And once again, I want to be able to use and see both windows open at the same time. So I'm going to go to my restore down icon over here. I have it selected, and I'm just going to left click and drag, and it's moved it over. I'm going to make this slightly bigger so it's easier for me to see. And then for my next window I want open, same thing, you're going to restore down and left click, and I'm going to pull it all the way over to the left side of my screen, and now I can see both screens at once. So the easy way to do this assignment is you could try and individually create each wall of your maze. Or we can create all the walls and then remove them. So however you guys want to do this assignment, you can. I'm going to show you what I think is the faster way. So let's say I left click on, these are my pixels here, and I'm happy with the size they are. And I select an area on my maze, which is that. And actually I might just make it smaller just so it's easier for us to see. Perfect. So I've gone ahead and select this. Everything for this assignment, what you'll be using is your bottom border. So when you go to borders, you're going to go down to more borders. And in here, you can go ahead and select the line you want. So the style of the line, as well as the color. So I'm going to go ahead and select that I want it a bolder line and I want it red to recreate this one. The first thing you want to do is, if I'm recreating every line in this entire grid, I'm going to select I want the outline recreated, as well as I want the inside selected. And then I'm going to go ahead and just press OK. So what we should have is something that looks like this. Now, let's say at the very top right here, I know this space is all connected. I can left click and drag on those cells, and I'm going to go back to more borders, click on more borders, and I can simply then just remove that middle border that I don't want, so we can open it up and press OK. So this is what my cells should start to look like. You can go ahead and just select where in your maze you need to remove borders from. So more borders. Now I want to get rid of the horizontal border, but I need to re-put up that vertical right border, and I'm just going to go ahead and click left. Since I had that top cell selected, it re-put in that one vertical border, so I can click on that. And just unselect that right there. And I keep putting up borders I don't need, so I'm going to go ahead and that must have been the top border. So it's this one right there I need to get rid of. replace that one. But I want to get rid of just this one cell. I want to get rid of this border. There we go. So you kind of just have to continue to click and play and see which borders you're wanting to remove. But that is how you would recreate your border assignment. To get rid of these lines at the end, I would do this at the very end. And for some of them it'll work, it just really depends on your design. You can go merge and center, and it allows me to merge and center those cells, but it got rid of my border that I wanted here, and that's not something I really wanted. So your lines, they won't print out when we print them, so it's okay, you can leave them there. And that is how you would go ahead and complete assignment number 3.